Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi TV 4S and I'll show you how you can change inputs in this device. So we have to simply select this icon. And as you can see right now, we got all available inputs. We got the normal TV, HDMI first, second, third, and also, sorry for that, AF. If you want to change for any other input, like for example for the HDMI, just select OK, and when you plug the HDMI cable to this source, you will get signal. In my case, it's unavailable because I didn't plug here any cable, but if you do, that's how we can make it. So let me just simply go back from the screen. Okay, after a few seconds, we will be moved back to the preview one input. And there it is. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.